well in your home? Welcome to our third class maths. You have entered into your third class, no? Yes. Now we are going to start with our third class maths. Okay, you have completed your second class. Whatever the revision parts, the small problems are there, they have given you all those important problems like small things in the chapter 1 revision. So whatever we are doing in this chapter are of your second class only. Okay, see, this is our second class. In the first class, from 1 to 8 problems we have completed. Okay, I hope everybody you have written the problems and you have done your homework. Okay, see, here I have written the page number. So these problems are there in page number 75. So from 1 to 8 we have written already in your term book. Okay, now this ninth problem, see this ninth problem how it is, add the following and write the sum. Okay, so here they have given you only little space to solve the problem. Yes, as you have come from second class, you have only little knowledge of doing this one. I think everybody can do, but here the space is very little, so you won't have sufficient place to solve the problem. So these problems we are going to do in your classwork. So for this one, you need your maths classwork, pencil and eraser. Okay, these problems we are going to solve in your classwork. Okay, now everybody get ready with your maths classwork, pencil and eraser. Yes, I hope everyone is ready with your things. Let us start with the problem. Okay, see, the problem is add the following and write the sum. Okay, so here they have given you two sets of numbers. Okay, and they are asking you to do the sum. Here the word add and sum both will say same. Addition means you have to combine all the things and you have to make it total and you have to tell. Okay, so here we are going to add. So here they have given you like horizontal way of question. If you know, you can do it directly, no problem. If you don't know, you have to arrange this in the vertical column. So how you have to arrange? See, 254, 254 is the first set of numbers. So you have to write 254. So when you are writing this one, see, I think you are having new books now. Like in the second class, you won't be having checks type of books. In the second class, you will having this type of books. Okay. Now in the third class, you will have all single ruled lines. Okay, so when you are writing the question also leave one finger gap between two numbers and copy the question. Okay, write this question. Okay, under that leave one line, then between each and every number you leave finger space. Okay, the first set of number is here 254. Okay, now the second set also we have to take, but how we should take in maths, always you have to prefer from last. See, the first one, however we want, we can take from last or first, no problem. But when you are copying the second set of number or third, fourth, fifth, how the numbers will go, how many sets you have, according to that you can take. But you have to prefer from the last. So when you are writing from the last, you will not have any confusion. Okay, in writing the number and in solving the answer. Okay. Now we will take the last number and we will write under the last number only. I want everybody to write all the numbers in a straight line. Okay. So here 3 we have taken, under 4 we have written. Now here 5 we will take and again that also under the middle number we will write exactly under the number. And what is the third number? 1. So that one we will take here in the first place. Under the first number we will write the number. So now what we have to do, symbol is also compulsory. In math symbols are very important. So here what they are asking us to do, add. What is the symbol for add? Here they have given already. What is it? It is plus. So writing symbol is also very important. Yes. Now we will solve the problem. But how we should solve? See, before writing this one, I have explained you in the previous class only that place values are very important. Places for the numbers are very important. So whenever you are writing anything, if you write places, it will be very useful to you and very comfortable to you to understand it clearly also. So what is the place of the last number? It is ones. I am writing in the short form. You also learn to write like this. So this is ones. The second one is tens. Tens, for tens we are taking T, and the next one is hundreds. For hundreds we are taking H. I think this type of format you have in your second class. Means you have this format, the printed numbers, sums, problems I have given you in the term book in the last year. But now you have come to your third class, so you have to learn how to arrange the numbers also for solving the problems. Okay. Now see, always just now I said, when you are doing much, you have to do from the last. Then it gives you the correct answer. See now, 4 and 3. What you have to do for this 4 and 3? You have to do plus addition. So if you know in fingers, you can do. If you can take in mind, then you can do. If you want to draw lines also, you can do. But drawing lines is a very like the first, second standard method. We will go with the counting in the mind. Okay. See here. So whatever the first number is there, we will take in mind. Whatever the second number is there, we will take in fingers. Okay. The first number is 4. So 4 we will take in mind. 3 we will take in the fingers. Okay. And whatever the number you have here, after this number, whatever the number comes, from there we should start the counting. Now here we have 4. After this 4, what is the number? 5. So you have to start counting from the 5, and until you complete these numbers, you can count. Okay. So 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 4, what is the number? Here I have given, see, 5. Yes, 5, 6, 7. So what is the total of 4 and 3 now? It is 7. Okay, in the same way you have to do all the other also. See, 5 and 5. 5 plus 5. Again the same one. 5 take in the mind, 5 take in the fingers. 5 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. So whatever we take in the mind, after next number we will start now. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you got now? The total number you got is 10. Okay. Whenever you will get 2 digits. 2 digits in the sense 1 and 2. 2 numbers. Okay. So whenever you will get like this 2 digits, the last one means whichever number is there in the ones place, you will take down, and whichever number will be there here, you can take here on the top. Okay. So top of the next number, not on the same number, top of the next number. Okay. So 5 plus 5, we got 10 here. So the first ones place number we have taken down. Tens place number we have carried on the next number. Okay. Now see here, you have 2, 1 and carried 1 also. So you are having here completely 3 numbers. Don't get confused, no problem. First we will add the numbers whichever we have in the question. Okay. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So after 2, 3. So now for these 2 numbers we got 3. So take that 3 in the mind. Whatever the carried numbers are there again in the finger. So we got 3 for this one. So we will take 3 in the mind, the carried 1 in the finger. So after 3, every time you have to take after number only. So after 3 is 4. See now for the number for this 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Okay. To make you understand, I have given this small hints here, but you should not copy in your classwork. These are only to understand. See, however the problem I have written here, I want you also to do in the same way. So this is about your first problem. Addition of 254 plus 153. What you got here? 407. So write the answer here again. Okay. Now we will move on to the next problem. This is also in the same way. The question is 502 plus 423. The method you have to follow here will be same. Okay. So how we have done here, writing the place values. Here also we will take first place values, ones, tens, hundreds. So here first I have taken place value. Then we will copy the first set of number 502. See how I am writing? Space is there between each and every number. So you also have to follow it so that you will get interest to learn more that type of problem. So handwriting should be very neat when you are writing. Okay. Now 502. What is the second number? Second set of number is 423. So 423 we will not take like this. Why? Because here you are having three digits. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Three digits are there, so it is easy for you to write. But sometimes to make you confused, what they will do? They will give you in one set three digits, and they will give you in the other set 2 or 1 digit. So it will be difficult for you to solve the problem. So that is the reason the second set of number always you have to take from the last number. See here 3 under last number. See whichever place it is there, you have to take that one from in that place only. Place will not be changed, but only the order of writing will be little changed here. So 3 under last it is there, so we will write in the last place. Last in the sense ones place. 2 it is there in tens place, so we will write in the tens place only. See how I am writing the numbers? They are under same line. Okay. Now 4 it is there in 100 place, so we will write it in the 100 place only. Now what you have to do? You have to keep plus sign. Symbols are very important. Without symbol, we don't know that which method you are using there. So as soon as you see the problem, this symbol tells that you have done here addition. So symbol is very important. See, so the same method. The first number you have to take in mind. The second number you have to take in fingers. So what is the first number? 2. So 2 we will take in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So 2 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So after 2 what will come? 3, 4, 5. So what is the total count of 2 and 3 here? 5. So we will write exactly under the same number. Okay, see here in the tens place we have 0 and 2. Yes, 0 means what? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So we should not add 0. Okay. See, here you have 2. Only 2. No other number. 0 means nothing. Single 0 will not have any value. Okay. So here the 0 plus 2 will give you only 2. So no addition here. The number it will come as it is. Now here 5 and 4. So here you have first number is 5. Second number is 4. Again you take first number in the mind, second number in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the count? 9. So that 9 we will write here. I hope everybody understood this method. Yes. And after writing here you have to write this last total answer. You have to write here in the first place. We have given space there to write the answer. So we will write it there. I hope everybody understood this one. Okay. So you should write in the same way. First chapter should be written, page number should be written in your classwork. Then heading, leave one line, then copy this question. This question, see this is a board, so I am writing beside the problem. But in your classwork you have to write this problem under this one only. Okay, leave 1 or 2 lines, no problem. 1 line or 2 lines you leave. The second problem you copy under this one. Okay, so other C and D. So other C and D programs are there no from the same page. Yes. So this C and D you have to do it as homework. Homework in the sense you have to after this one you can do this C and D and we can continue with our next bit also. Okay, you have to do it in your classbook only, but as a homework. Okay, so whatever we have done in this class, we will complete with this one only. We will continue our next. We will continue here. So I hope everybody you have copied this one. So we will move on to our next bit. Okay, so this C and D I said the homework, no? So you have to do it as homework. Okay. So next we will start with our 10th page. Just now we have